Okay, while I repairing this computer, so the client informed me the what we call this laptop keyboard not working. So I just formed hard disks, everything. I already removed everything over here and here, over there, and I double check it. What's the problem with the keyboard? So until 12 o'clock, I need to use the midnight data to update the system. So anyhow, I just removed everything. I check it. Look at that. I found it. Oh, they handed out the last time to repair this this laptop. So they didn't fix the keyboard, what we call ribbon properly. So it's like that. So if I show it previous video like that. So that's another thing. If you are giving your system or device, any kind of device, to proper what we call proper knowledge people, they'll do like. So I have to properly fix it. So it's only I'm not repairing computer nowadays or any system. I'm doing this one only for requesting by one of my good friend. So that's why repairing. I try to look into it. Now I hope it's going to work it. So I'm going to check it that one later. So after 12 o'clock, once I fix it. Okay, look at that. Everything clear. It's this is how you can find out. This is all the repair computer like that. And here it's already removed certain things, and certain area you can able to see all the like touch like that over here, and like the cables sometimes marked on different way to connect it. How are you going to find out? If you have a head-on experience several years, maybe few months, maybe if you are really good with that, after that you can able to like that you can feel it, no? Once you remove this device and check it out, that time you will feel automatically. I don't know how can I explain that one. So that's a years and years practice experience. You can able to understand what's the problem, what they are talking like that. Earlier also I have a call, so I explained. So that IT guy, that's one government IT guy, he said the board problem. I said no brother, it's a power supply, otherwise VGA problem. After that I handed out madam. They said okay, I'll check it computer other shop. Finally that's not a board problem, something else problem like that. You need years and years experience, and you have to hand-on experience with the devices. Then only you can able to fix it properly, even and with the confidence. Look at the small mistake. I don't know how long that this owner is one of my good friend's computer. So I don't know how long they are used this system. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to check it out with the keyboard working or not. Let's see.